Hello everyone, look at this. Look at these trees and apple. Size of apple. Look at these trees. Now sizes Himalayan apples very big at this time. Little bit big in size. It's day by day grown up of my apple. And and look at this khiras in English language. Uh, cucumber, cucumber petals, cucumber petals. At this time, not ready to eat uh, that cucumber. Next month, it's it we all peoples. And other vegetable at this. And that vegetable not at this time not ready because it's a petal of this vegetable. And look at this. Look at this onion. It's a onion plant, and this this is seed of onion. These are tomato plants. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These are tomato plants, and this is aru peach. मामा प्लम कहाँ है?